Hello, this is Anthony Wisdom for Java 1, Week 4, Term 1409, Connected App Walkthrough. Um, just to go through the rubric, the application is structured efficiently and with proper methods and constructs. Think I'm good in that aspect. Everything is structured properly and efficiently. Application can connect to a UI to an API endpoint using a dynamic URL string that changes based on user text input that is properly encoded. So you will see that here. Here I'm capturing the user input. Here I'm encoding it into UTF-8. Here I am appending the user input to the API call, and I'm then putting that URL string into a URL and executing my async task. Async task performs all network operations in the background thread. Resulting data is passed to the appropriate callback method in order to update the UI after the task finishes executing. Appropriate callbacks are used to show an indeterminate progress indicator before execution starts and hide the progress indicator when the task finishes. So here's my async task in its own class. Here's all my connection code. I'm parsing the JSON data here, adding it to my hash map here, and returning the data. So if you see it in action, search for Bob. Here is my progress indicator while it's searching. As soon as it's done searching, it goes away and it displays the data in a list view. Application parses and displays two or more data points from multiple JSON objects or JSON array entries. Either advanced views are used to display parsed data or libraries are used to enhance the application UI. So here I'm using an advanced view, a list view. If you look down here at my raw JSON data before I parse it, each song has an artist ID, an artist name, song ID, song name. So I am grabbing the artist name and the title out of those and putting them into a list view. I know it looks like there's a bunch of duplicates, but it's the way the API handles it. As you can see, each one has its own individual ID. They are separate objects. They're just, for whatever reason, are pulling down and displaying multiple songs that appear to be the same. So outside of that, if I can get here, last bit of this is the connection check, which I have to get into airplane mode to do it, to demonstrate it properly. So now we're in airplane mode. We'll go back to the app, and okay, so application checks for a network connection before each network request executes and properly informs the user of a lack of a connection. Code utilizes a static helper method in a custom network connectivity class to check for connections. So my custom connectivity class is here. It checks for the connections. Then up here, it will attempt to connect. If it does not connect, it will alert the user. If it does connect, it will execute the async task. So you can see that here. If I go Bob, it'll say no connection available in an alert. So that is my application for week 4, Java 1, term 1409, connected app walkthrough. This is Anthony Wisdom. Thank you.